Validating your idea before you build is one of the smartest things you can do as an entrepreneur. Too many founders fall into the trap of assuming their idea is great simply because it sounds great. But until it's tested with real people, it's just a guess. Idea validation techniques like surveys, landing pages, and other lightweight experiments help you turn that guess into evidence. The goal of validation isn't to prove you're right, it's to learn what's true. It's about confirming whether people actually care enough about your problem and are willing to take action. And the best part? You can validate most ideas in days, not months. Start with surveys. A well-crafted survey can quickly help you test assumptions and identify patterns. Keep your questions focused and open-ended. Ask about the problem, not your solution. For example, instead of asking, "Would you use this app?" ask, "How do you currently handle this problem?" Or, "What frustrates you the most about your current solution?" The goal is to uncover real pain points and gauge the level of urgency. Next, build a landing page. This is one of the most effective and fast ways to test demand. Create a simple page that clearly explains your value proposition, who it's for, what problem it solves, and what makes it unique. Then add a single call to action. Sign up, join a waitlist, or request early access. Drive traffic to the page through ads, social media, or community posts. If people are willing to click or share their email, that's a powerful sign of interest. You can also test pricing with your landing page. Try multiple versions, each with different price points, and track how they perform. Even fake checkout pages without taking payment can give you valuable data about willingness to pay. The key is to learn what people value enough to act on. Concierge MVPs are another great way to validate your idea. Instead of building software, manually deliver the solution yourself for a few customers. It's a great way to understand their needs deeply before automating anything. For example, if you're building a fitness app, personally design workout plans for a few users first. See if they find value in it before investing in code. Social media is also a fast and low-cost testing ground. Share your concept on platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, or X. Ask for feedback or even pre-sell your idea. Watch what resonates and what falls flat. People's reactions, likes, comments, and questions are data. Interviews remain one of the most valuable validation tools. Use them to dig deeper into survey or landing page insights. Listen for excitement, not politeness. When people light up while talking about your problem or solution, that's validation. When they sound indifferent, that's a red flag. The key to all of these techniques is measurement. Define what success looks like before you test. For example, if 100 people visit my landing page and at least 15 sign up, that's a sign of strong interest. Clear success metrics prevent you from rationalizing weak results. Finally, validation is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing mindset. Every step of building your MVP should involve testing assumptions, gathering data, and refining based on feedback. Validation doesn't slow you down. It saves you from building the wrong thing faster. When you validate before you build, you're not guessing, you're learning. And that's the foundation of every successful MVP.